This topic name is virus. A virus is an infectious microbe consisting of a segment of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein coat. A virus cannot replicate alone. Instead, it must infect cells and use components of the host cell to make copies to itself. A virus ends up killing the host cell in the process, causing damage to the host organisms. Well-known examples of virus causing human disease include AIDS, COVID-19, smallpox. When infected, host cell is often forced to rapidly produce thousands of copies of the original virus. When not the inside an infected cells or in the process of infecting a cell, viruses exist in the form of independent viral particles or virions. Consisting of genetic material, that is a long molecule of DNA or RNA that encode the structure of the protein by which the virus acts. A protein coat is the capsid which surrounds and protects the genetic material, and in some classes and in some cases an outside envelope of lipids. The shapes of these viruses particles range from simple helical and isohedral forms to more complex structure. Most virus species have virions too small to be seen in the optical microscope and are 100 the size of the bacteria. Viruses spread in many ways. One transmission pathway is through disease-bearing organisms known as vectors. For example, viruses are often transmitted from plant to plant by insects that feed on plant sap, such as aphids, and viruses in animals can be carried by blood-sucking insects. Many viruses spread in the air by coughing and sneezing, including influenza virus, SARS-CoV-2, chickenpox, then smallpox and measles. Norovirus and rotavirus are the common causes of the viral are transmitted by the oral route, facial oral route, and pass by hand to mouth contact or in food or water. The infectious dose of the norovirus required to produce infection in humans in fewer than 100 particles. HIV is one of the several viruses transmitted through the sexual contact and by exposure to infected blood. The variety of host cell that a virus can infect is called its host range. This is narrow for viruses specialized to infect only a few species, or a broad for viruses capable of injecting many. The viral infection in animals provoke an immune response that usually eliminates the infecting virus. Immune response can also be produced by vaccines, which confer an artificially acquired immunity to the specific viral infection. Some viruses included that those that cause HIV, AIDS, HPV infection, and viral hepatitis. Thank you.